Why do my gums bleed every time I brush or floss? That's a really important question, and we're gonna get all the answers out today. So why do my gums bleed when I brush or floss? Well, that is a sign of infection. Bacteria live on our teeth called plaque. That plaque tends to accumulate right around the gums, and that bacteria causes a localized infection. When that infection starts, it's what we call gingivitis. Gingivitis is reversible if you go see your dentist and have your teeth cleaned appropriately. If it is not treated, you'll end up with gum disease or periodontitis. Periodontitis has some pretty significant consequences. Some of them are bone loss, which can lead to tooth loss, infections such as abscesses, but that bacteria is in and around your gums and has access to your bloodstream. There's been several studies out now that have linked gum disease with significant systemic consequences. So we want to make sure that if your gums do bleed when you brush or floss, that you contact your dentist immediately to make sure that you get seen, get treated appropriately, and get on top of those infections. If you found this video helpful or interesting and like to know more, go to our website at thrivefamilydental.com.